Hey traders, welcome to the market recap of last week. Here we are going to discuss the trade taken last week on Telegram or privately. These all trades are same. Whatever we give on Telegram, we took it personally. So yeah, we are on last week. We hit these four stop losses without any take profit. So let's discuss about it. What was the reason for the trade and what it happened. So the first trade that we took on GBPJPY, both are 15-minute supply zone. The reasons we took this trade, first one was clearly a fair value gap in the market, and after that we can see a retracement of market and a fair value gap created and the market comes down aggressively, impulsive downside move. Then we can see that market was going higher, high, high, low, high, high, and we were expecting market to reject from here, which eventually after hitting the stop loss it gains down to 17 pips, but it was not our target. Our target was around good pips, I believe. It was around 35 pips. We always target the bottom of any retracement area because majorly market reject from there. So that's why we took the TPs over there. So our stop losses got hit. Our first trade obviously was a stop loss. Actually, all the trades were stop loss and we hit the 16 pips stop loss over here. But the setup was pretty much good. If I again get the time to take this kind of level, I will definitely take it. But I don't know what was the reason, but it was a clear area market to reject the way it broke. Obviously, you can see that it was consolidating over here, then aggressive move, and I was believing an aggressive move down, which never happened. So nothing to worry about it. So after that, after a few minutes, again I did the setup. I was waiting that if market reject this area, then I will look after this area. Again, major market comes down. Then let me just make it easy. Market comes down, goes up, comes down, something like this. Breakout structure, major breakout structure, but this was the major area from where I'm expecting market to either reject because it was a good supply zone on a 15 minutes. So I took that trade. Obviously, it will take that trade, not wait to market to come down, and after that I will. Mostly people do this, but I'm not doing. If I'm getting some good targets, I will do it. That's why we are profitable, and yeah, maybe. Let's move it. If you can clearly see, then again the stop losses were hit, and the reasons, as you can see, the market break it, and then it comes down and eventually take second TP. But we were out on a 20 pips stop loss, 20 to 21 pips, I believe. So yeah, again a second stop loss in a day, and we were just calling it off. On a live stream, we didn't get any setup. So yeah, but I believe we get the setup on no, on another setup was there on what is I can say that after market we get some good setup and we posted it on Telegram after the live stream, and it was after the news. As you can clearly see that market sweeps the higher side liquidity than lower side liquidity. This was again our area that we were expecting market to come tap this area and goes up, but market never came to this area, and only few pips were there for market. 27 pips difference was there. After that market rejects and it comes upside, and you can see that we were taking trade over here. So yeah, third trade was given on a 5-minute time frame. As you can see that market free the lower liquidity and higher liquidity. So I was hoping market to reject from this. So yeah, as I was saying that on a 5-minute time frame, we can see that market lower liquidity, and then obviously higher liquidity was sweep, and we were expecting market to sweep the lower liquidity on news. And after that, I took a Fibonacci tool and just going for this, and I marked it, and I was seeing that it can be this area from where I'm expecting market. It was my supply zone on a 5-minute time frame, and I was expecting market to reject from here, but it never happened, and market broke this area and goes upside. 25 pips stop loss was hit. Another stop loss, third stop loss in a row, and yeah, it sweeps. It's another confluence, another what you can say setup which I have triggered, that after the news, whatever the market choose, it will sweep that liquidity, then it will again react to the opposite side, and after that market will fill that news gap. So what market does, market creates it was a news area and it sweep its liquidity. The market comes down, sellers were trapped obviously over here, and if we get here the good buys, so it was pretty much good for us. Like on Monday we obviously missed it by a few pips, but it was pretty much good. Right now still we were holding that trade, but no problem. So yeah, I was expecting market to come, but I forget that market has to fill this wick, which eventually market it and can up. So another conference that I have marked it for after news to trade. So yeah, this is what happens, and let's move to the 15-minute time frame on the last setup which we took on Friday, and we were pretty much sure about the setup. But obviously, it's all about psychology and how you trade. You have to believe in your trade. On a smaller time frame, change of character happened, and market was over here. It was also a 1 hour. If you can see that it was a 1 hour time frame supply, it was a good supply zone of 1 hour. But yeah, on 15 minutes, if we can clearly see that market creates a change of character. I never take this thing as a trade setup, because after change of character happens, the market creates a downside trend line, and I was hoping market to sweep it, which market eventually did. And after that, I was expecting market to reject from this area and came down, but it never happened. Reasons were obviously on a 1 hour, and if we see market obviously reject from this zone multiple times. So that was the reason I was expecting, and it was pretty much a good setup on a 15-minute supply area, and market never respected it. It broke it, and another next 4 hour opens on Friday and just went up without getting a bottoming. And if we had a bottoming, so I believe we will have secured the partial, but never came down, and 25 pip stop loss was hit it again, fourth stop loss in a row, and then market shot up. So yeah, this was the market recap of us first stop losses in the last week without any profits. And no worries, new week, new opportunities, new setups, new trades. So it doesn't matter if we had a stop loss. So this is what makes us transparent. We hit a stop loss, we will just go with it. Rather than giving you a 50 pips stop loss like here, if we have given it you a 60 pips stop loss for just 10 pips trade, which eventually happens in the trading market, like giving a 50 pip stop loss and with a 15 pip profit. It's not for us. We hit the stop loss, if just call it off and move to the next trade. Our risk to reward is more than 1:1, most probably on trade. So this is what makes us different from others. We are transparent, and everything you see in the group or everything is transparent. We the on live stream, if you can clearly see the MT5, the values which are showing is of the live account. It's not of a demo or any prop firm. It's a live account trade. So this is where usually we trade, and yeah, so this is what happens. We are transparent, as you can clearly see that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This was just a learning for us, that how psychology affects us and how we are still strong and looking for another week with some good trades. These things happen in the market, and we are hoping some good things next week. So yeah, for more content, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. I have Monday to Friday live streams happen there. Instagram, where we post our profits and another stuff. And on Discord, you can follow us. Eventually, there's nothing in the Discord right now, but you can follow. Eventually, we will start posting over there also if we get a good audience there. And follow us on Telegram, free trades over there. Yeah, take care. Bye bye. See you on Monday.